Hi everyone, this is Smriti. I am welcoming you all to my channel QA Automation Classes. We are continuing with our stream classes. We have come in the last session, we completed the min and max method, and today we are going to continue with few other methods like count, distinct, and limit. We'll see. Okay, so let's open the IntelliJ and stream methods, new Java class, stream method demo 2. Okay, so now let's say main method. So last time we have seen list of integers. Let's this time take list of the string and list of string. I'll say maybe fruits. So I'm having a list of the string of the fruits equals to we are going to use arrays.asList because it is really easy. Arrays dot as list. Okay, so arrays dot as list, and inside the list we are going to have the name of the fruits. Let's say apple, let's say guava, let's say orange. Okay, apple, guava, and orange, and we can have one more. Let's say grapes. Okay, so okay, I have to import this one. I'll enter. So we have a list of the string. The object is fruits, and here we have the multiple fruits added to it. So now I want to know like how many elements are there in this collection. So for that we can use the count method. So how to use the count method? We can go with the fruits dot stream dot just a simple count method. So what it is going to return? Obviously it will return an integer, right? Or long, right? Long of count. So now we can store it as a long count equals to this one, and then I can just put it as out number of elements are, and I can just say plus count. Okay, so if I run this one, it should give me output as 4. That is my expectation here. Okay, so number of elements are 4. Apple 1, guava 2, orange 3, grapes 4. So this is how you use the count method. So now we have some other methods like we can say the distinct, or we can say limit. So distinct here, we if we apply distinct also, it will give all of them because everything is distinct here. So let's add few duplicates to it, then we can understand whether it is filtering out the duplicates or not. So let's say guava, again adding. Okay, let's say in the small case of guava. Okay, so now we have the duplicates, this guava and this guava duplicates, and this is same, but here capital G, here small g. Okay, so let's see which one is going to filter out of it. So definitely this will get filtered out. So let's say again fruits dot stream. Okay, this apply stream dot. So here what we're going to do, we're going to use the distinct. Okay, so now what it is going to return, it is going to return the stream. So on top of the stream, what we're going to do, we're going to apply collect method. So collectors the to list. So in the form of the list, we're going to collect it. So let's say list of string, and here I'll say distinct fruits equals to. Okay, so now s out, sorry, uh, distinct fruits are, here let's say plus distinct fruits. Okay, so now let's say Let me execute. So apple, guava, orange, grapes, and guava. So these two are the exact duplicate, same values, right? So it is identifying them as the duplicate and eliminating one. But this one, if you see the ASCII value of this one, small g and capital G are different. So these are interpreted as the different elements. So now, okay, I'm staying here. So distinct here. So distinct fruits are distinct fruit. So this is the distinct method. So now we can have one more method called as the limit. Suppose out of this big list, I just want to work with the first 10 elements or with the first 5 elements. So I can limit that one. So here I can say fruits dot stream dot here limit. I'll apply the limit max size. Let's say I want 3 elements. So apple, guava, and orange. Dot limit dot. Then again I am going to collect collected dot to list, and here equals to, let's say, sorry. So let's say list of string, and here the elements. Sorry, did I do like this? 3 elements, top element, top 3 elements I can say. So say top 3 elements. Okay, so top 3 elements, and now I can say s out top 3 elements are plus top 3 elements. Okay, so now I can run it. So top 3 elements are apple, guava, and orange. In the sequence it is giving apple, guava, and orange. Okay, so now with this we learned the count method and the distinct method, and limit method also, right? Count, here is distinct, and here is limit. Okay, so that's all to this session, guys. If you like my content, please do subscribe to my channel, and share the videos with your friends and your colleagues as a token of appreciation. That will motivate me to come up with a few more videos like this. Okay, so thank you, see you tomorrow. Thank you, bye bye.